हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 4 इंट्रोडक्शन टू क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस ऑफ क्लास 10th। नाउ द लर्निंग आउटकम्स। After completing this, you will be able to understand what is quadratic equation and how it is useful to us. Let us take an example of 5x square plus 3x plus 2. Now you know that this is what? This is a quadratic polynomial which you have already studied in class 9. Quadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 2. Now when we equate this polynomial to 0, so that become an equation. So a polynomial with equal to sign is known as equation. And an equation of degree 2. So what we are taking here? We are taking an equation of degree 2. This is very important that the equation should have degree 2 is known as quadratic equation. So let us take some examples now. Example of equation having degree 2 like 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, or you can also take p square minus 3p minus 10 equals to 0, or y square plus 7y equals to 60. These are what? These are quadratic equations. Now, what we get that the journal or the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b and c are real numbers. Many people believe that the Babylonians and the Egyptians, they were the first who know about these quadratic equations, or they were using these quadratic equations nearly 4000 years ago. लेकिन उस समय उनके पास इस तरह की इक्वेशंस फॉर्म करने का मेथड नहीं आता था, तो वो लोग वर्ड्स और पिक्चर्स यूज करते थे to find the solution of their problems. Later on, Brahmagupta, he gave the journal form of quadratic equation as ax square plus bx equals to c. Now, we are using these equations in our daily life also. How we are using? Let us see in this example. If you want to know the jet of the water of a fountain, suppose आपके सामने एक फाउंटेन है और उसके जेट का पाथ पता करना चाहते हैं, you want to know the path of the jet, you can find it using quadratic equation. Or you want to know the path of a ball hit by a batsman in a playground or in a match. आप इसको जानना चाहते हैं कि what is this path is equals to, or how we can calculate this path. We can calculate these paths using quadratic equations. इतना ही नहीं, these quadratic equations are also used to construct such parabolic shapes. Moreover, these are also used to calculate the sides of a playground. मान लीजिए आपके पास कोई कंडीशन दी है और आपके पास कोई फिक्स एरिया है, आप उसमें कोई प्लेग्राउंड कंस्ट्रक्ट करना चाहते हैं, you can use these quadratic equations using those conditions and find the area or the sides of those field. For example, हमने एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, जैसे कि हमारे पास एक हॉल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, whose length is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. Then area of that hall is equals to length into breadth, that is x into 2x plus 1. So we can calculate using this that 2x square plus x is equals to 300. That is the given condition जो हमें दिया हुआ है एरिया. So 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. तो हमें क्या मिला? A quadratic equation is here. So by solving these equations, what we get? We will get the roots or the solution or the value of x using or which satisfy these condition. जो हमें condition दी है उसे satisfy करेगी. तो हमेशा ही हमने क्या देखा? A quadratic equation has at the most 2 roots or values. इसकी ज्यादा से ज्यादा हमें 2 values मिलेंगी और वो डिपेंड करेगा उसके nature of equation पे कि वो values किस तरह की होंगी. Let us take an example. हम एक example लेते हैं जिसमें हमने एक इक्वेशन ली है x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 times x minus 3. Now on solving this, हमें क्या मिला? इसे जब हमने सॉल्व किया, सिंप्लीफाई किया, we get x square plus 7 equals to 0. Now this is also a quadratic equation. Why this is quadratic equation? Because इसमें हमें क्या मिल रहा है? That this degree of x is 2. यहाँ पर x की डिग्री 2 है. So this is of the form, हमारे पास ये quadratic equation की फॉर्म में है. Let us take some other example. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं जिसमें हमारे पास एक इक्वेशन दी हुई है 2x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to x into x plus 3. और जब हमने इसे सिंप्लीफाई किया by simply opening the bracket by multiplying it, हमने मल्टीप्लाई करके ओपन किया, then we simplified the equations by taking or transposing all the terms to one side. तो हमारे पास सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में इक्वेशन है x square minus 6x minus 2 equals to 0. This is nothing but a quadratic equation because the highest degree is 2. Let us take one more example जिसमें हम लेते हैं x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now ये हमें फिर से quadratic equation जैसे इक्वेशन दिख रही है. Let us simplify this equation. When we simplify this, that is x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. Similarly on the other side. So what we get? X square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equals to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. अब हमने देखा यहाँ पर इस स्टेप में this x square get cancels with x square. And what we get? Minus x minus 2 minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0 on transposing all the terms to one side. So finally what we get? Minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is not a quadratic equation. But हमें देखने में लग रहा था कि that it is a quadratic equation here. लेकिन simplification पे हमें क्या मिला? That it is a linear equation. So always first we will simplify and then find out whether the given equation is quadratic or something else. तो मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आपको quadratic equation समझ में आया होगा. तो उसके लिए let us take some questions as home assignment. हम home assignment के लिए कुछ questions लेते हैं. जैसे question number 1, check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Like this, आप इसे simplify कीजिए और check कीजिए. The two equations are given to you. और express in the form of quadratic equation if the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306 and find the integers. Try to form the quadratic equation using these conditions. Now let us summarize. हमने क्या पढ़ा? That an equation of degree 2 is known as quadratic equation, and quadratic equations are very useful in our real life situations to find the path of parabolic structures, length, breadth of different shapes, age and speed also we can find under different conditions, etc. Thank you.